back to it. So.
And it's a good look. It's a good look.
Big up on yourself, you know. Good Luck TV. Yeah, you don't know your boy Marsh there with you, you know. And where I say, we just start do some real work right now. You understand? We link up some people, interview them, get to know them background. You see me? Big up on yourself, all our subscribers, all our people who like, share, and watch the content. You understand? Yeah man, big up on yourself. Right now we're there, Hampton Road, one part in Jamaica, right? And right now, you know, today is a Sunday. Watch you know, as me see you. Big up yourself, you know, my elder. Good Luck TV.
Father Joe.
Father Joe, you know. Introduce yourself to the people.
Yes, man, Rasta.
Yes, man.
Alright. Every time.
Trade boss,
And
man.
it's Sunday morning now. You know, it's a Sunday morning thing. We have to go deal with the little food and we little washing and all that stuff there. So, remember that. Big up on yourself every time.
Yeah, man. Good Luck TV. So, Father Joe, I answer something. A Good Luck TV. Right? I'm going to ask you a question. On a Sunday today now, what would be a good look?
Well, you know, so well then,
Food and
food and drinks and
no work.
have a little enjoyment.
No work.
Right, right.
Like more in the evening, you know, so I go with a few drinks and food out to the brethren there.
Rasta.
That
No
is
Rasta,
it.
we don't work
That
on
is
Sunday.
it. Food, drinks, hang out with your brethren them. Good vibes, you understand? Which is what Good Luck TV is all about. People, remember, you know, stay tuned. We have some real content.
And remember, because it's a good look.
It's a good look.
Yeah, people. So, follow we now. Good Luck TV. We're still there, Hampton Road, right? And we just a chat on the road. It's a good look. Today is not really the normal content. We're just giving you a vibe of a normal Sunday in Jamaica. How we do it. Good Luck TV. And we're chat over here, son. See people them go to church. It's a good look. Right? How are you doing today?
I'm fine.
Alright. I like it. A big up Good Luck TV for me today.
Hello, Good Luck TV. Hello, good morning. I'm a very true Christian.
Is the church where you go?
New Testament Revival.
Okay, New Testament Revival.
Yeah.
Alright. So on a Sunday like this now, you normally go to church regular on a Sunday?
Yeah.
You never miss a Sunday.
No, never.
Alright. Do you have a certain job at church where you do? A certain function where you gotta go do or you just gotta go praise?
Yeah, because they go praise God, collect offering, testimony.
Tell them and see you, man. Oh.
Collect offering, testimony, yeah, and worship God and stuff.
Okay. And where's the church located?
We have one up there, so named Broadleaf.
Okay.
Up by Broadleaf, and we have one at Maypen. We have one at Mobile. We have one at Christian aside. So we go at different convention and so.
What's the name of the church again?
New Testament Revival.
That's what's up. Good Luck. It's a very good look. So we say Good Luck TV. We just start off.
Yeah,
We are the first one of the first videos.
yeah,
And we are start the right way.
yeah,
Church,
yeah.
spiritual,
Right,
very good look, right?
right.
What you want to say to the subscribers?
Subscribers, all I'm saying to you that it's good to serve God and it's good to go to church and serve God.
What a good look. You heard it there, right? Good Luck TV. Marsh there. Thank you so much. We say I pray for you today.
Yes, I will.
Alright. You are going to subscribe?
Good look.
Alright. Subscribe, share, and like. You hear that? Boom.